Minecraft, but there's dragon hearts. I will shoot fire breath, grow a pair of wings, and even become the dragon myself.
Then I must defeat the evil speedrunners.
And it all starts with this new custom heart I have here.
I wonder what it does.
I already know what it does. Don't tell anyone.
Hiya, hiya, hiya!
Dude, I got a dragon pearl. Ooh. Is it like an ender pearl? Hiya! Oh my goodness! Dude! Oh, it mines for you and then it teleports you. That's pretty neat. I do have to be careful here though, because I am fragile. I only have the one heart. And the more hearts I craft and unlock, the more powers I get, and the closer I get to become the dragon itself. And the next heart I'm gonna go for is the fireball heart. I just need some dragon pearls and some campfires. Hiya! Give me some dragon pearls, boys. Ooh. We just gotta make some campfires here. Oh yeah, we got ourselves the fireball heart. You can now shoot dragon fireballs.
Yeah!
Oh, is that dragon's breath? Nice, at least it doesn't hurt me. Yo guys, how does my breath smell? Oh, that bad, huh? Oh my gosh, this is powerful. Oh, and look, our big dragon in the middle has made some progress too. I'm so excited. But let's not drag on any further. Let's get our dragon egg heart. And to make that, we just need to have smooth stone and an egg. Hey, you up there, I need one of your eggs. It's not that weird. Boo.
Give me an egg!
3 hours later.
I heard one. Yes, yes. Oh, now we can make our dragon egg heart. Oh my goodness, am I a dragon egg? No. What? Oh no. We now have a dragon egg pet that'll follow me around, and then whenever I'm in danger, he'll just poop out dragon's breath. I love him so much, dude. Look at his little legs. Ah, I love it. I'll call you
Harold.
Harold, help me out. Get him. Oh yeah, he's inking all over the place. Yes, get him, Harold. And with such little hearts. Oh gosh, well, okay. Yeah, take my fire breath. Got him. The next heart is the dragon's breath heart, and for that, I need glass bottles and also a lava bucket. It's spooky in here, Harold. Oh goodness, get him. Ah, I'm Half-Horde. Harold, come down here. I just need 3 iron, and then I need some lava. This is a very big cave. Iron, yes. Okay. Ah, Harold, keep an eye out. Get him. Okay, we got 4 iron from that. Perfect. Now we can make our iron bucket. I just need to find some lava and get out of here alive. Was that a spawner right there? That's what it is. Harold, this is your first ever spawner. We gotta get in and get out. Go, 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 go. Yes, yes. Oh, a bucket already. And we have string now. We can make a bow. And got ourselves the lava. Nice and hot. All right, and we can craft our dragon breath heart. I've got a dragon mouth now.
Okay.
And I can now breathe dragon's breath. Before, I could shoot fireballs, but my dragon's breath now not only damages mobs, but also heals me. Yes, it's weird, but I can roar now, which is pretty nice. Well, you know what? Now that I'm down here, let's just keep mining. Hiya! Because I need a diamond chest plate and also chains. So it's time to get our hands a little dirty here. These caves are so big and spooky. Yes, we got ourselves a diamond. Oh, 2 diamonds, cool. 6 more to go, buddy. 2. Come on, give me more. I'm greedy. Well, no, actually, I'm crafty. Greedy's my evil cousin. Ooh, nice. 1, 2. Oh, some more. Do they only spawn in groups of 2 now? Ah, well, I got my diamond chest plate. And now we smelt up this iron here, craft ourselves some chains, make our diamond chest plate, and now we can craft our dragon scale heart. Oh my goodness, look at me. I look amazing. I'm like you, little oh shoot, I forgot my kid's name.
Harold?
And I got myself a dragon scale shield. I look amazing. Yeah, dragon rage. Whoa. It looks like when I block with it, I get some cool abilities here, and it shoots out damaging fire breath. I like this shield, man. And 1 step closer to become a dragon myself. For the obsidian heart, which I have my heart set on crafting, we need some diamonds to make a diamond pickaxe. We can mine our 5 obsidian for the recipe and get enough obsidian to make our nether portal. Because the next thing that we need is 1 crying obsidian. Oh, that's a ghast. Hi, buddy. Hey, shield up. Yeah, take that. I got dragon rage. Yeah, got him, no problem. Oh, hey, man. Welcome to the nether, buddy. Yo, and check this out. That's That's what I needed. I got my crying obsidian there, and it's right next to a bastion. And we've got it. And now we can craft our obsidian heart. Yeah, this heart is OP, man. First of all, now my empty fist does a ton of damage. I can also mine through blocks by sprinting at them. And the third power, I'll tell you guys about it later. But first, for the dragon eyes, I need myself an Eye of Ender. And for that, we're gonna find ourselves a fortress. Ah! Dude, getting through the nether now is gonna be a piece of cake.
Hello.
Ooh, nice, a blaze spawner. Hi, buddy. Oh, don't break the blaze spawner. Don't break the blaze spawner. Ow, ow, I have too few hearts for this, man. Okay, I got it. And now to make my upgrade, I only need an ender pearl left. Hi, guys. Oh, well. Whoop, okay, guys. Aha! Blue trees! My sword is so bad! So with that, we can craft our Eye of Ender. And remember when I told you I'd show you that power later? Well, it's later. So I can now look down at obsidian, and it takes me back to the overworld. Isn't that awesome? I'm becoming very powerful, and not much longer till I become the dragon and defeat those speedrunners. You're going down, Dream. Hello, I'm here for sand. Glass acquired. And that gives us the dragon heart eyes. Whoa, I got green eyes, dude. That or I have like 2 leaves on my face. This power is awesome. Whenever I sneak, I can now see nearby ores and nearby monsters. I'm getting so powerful, dude. And thank goodness we have this power, because the boss bar heart, which every good dragon needs a boss bar, I need 2 ancient debris and a netherite, which shouldn't be a problem because I can see through ores. So let's head back into the nether and see if we can find some of these ores here. That's gold, probably. That's gotta be, what is that? Oh, right.
Quartz.
I'm looking for ancient debris. 1 for you and 1 for me. Right. No fall damage. Well, that's nice. Hi. Ooh, that looks like something. Yeah! Give me that ancient. Yeah, ancient debris. Now I just need the netherite ingot. Ah, jump. No fall damage. Run in. Yes. Woo! All right. Well, while I'm here, I guess might as well. This is the most casual bastion ever. You're done. I didn't even punch you, dude. That's a lot of mobs. Okay. How you doing, buddy? Did I steal from these guys? No. Papa made his money totally legit.
Just like the stock market in the 80s.
Okay, little of that. Boom! Look, I've got a boss bar on top. Do you see that? That's so cool, dude. Aren't you guys supposed to be attacking me? Hello? Dude, I've got respect from the mobs. I guess they don't want to mess with me anymore. And now we just need some wings. And for that, we gotta head back into the overworld. Home sweet home. Just gotta spit on some cows. Yeah! I need the leather. Tui! Man, I'm powerful. Feels good to be the boss. Now I battle phantoms. There they are. Take my fireballs, you big slimy phantoms. Dude, I shoot so many fireballs now. Take this, phantoms. Yeah, got him. No problem. Dude, I like being the dragon. This is awesome. Yes, we got the phantom membrane. This means I can now craft my dragon wing heart. Boom. Oh, yeah, dude. Look at my wings, man. I'm looking beautiful. And now, anytime that I'm flying, I can also right-click to shoot fireball projectiles that launch me in the air. Yeah. Oh, this feels good, dude. Whoa. Dude, I can break blocks by flying. What just happened? That was awesome. Oh, this is cool. Yep. I can already tell I'm gonna really enjoy being the dragon. I'm out. But we're not done yet. You see that move? Pretty cool, huh? How did you follow me? The last heart that I can craft is called the End Crystal Heart. Question, does the dragon pearl count as? Yes, it does. Back to the nether for a gas tier. Hiya! Easy. Got it. And smelt up some glass, because that should give us our end crystal. That's perfect. Dude, does it heal me? Does it heal me? I'm getting ahead of myself. And the last thing I need is our 12 amethyst. Ooh, yes, we got it. Hello, gorgeous. Oh my goodness, it's attached to a dungeon. Hey, what's up, man? You're not gonna attack me? Oh, that's right, I'm the boss. Let's get these amethysts. tinted glass acquired, which gives us everything that we need to craft our end crystal heart. Boom! And now I am the ultimate dragon! I get healed by the end crystals, and I can access the end by just flying straight up. Shall we? Shall we fly back to our home? What do you think, buddy? Let's go! Woohoo! This is so cool. We're off to the end, my friends. Yeah, it worked. I'm here. There's no dragon, because I am the dragon. Speedrunner's approaching. Oh, no, dude. Look at them all. Oh, gosh. It's Dream! Hey, back off, man! Ah! I didn't know they'd be here so soon! Sub 20? What are you talking about? Ah! Get out of here! Not today, boys! Yeah! Take that! Yeah! Dragon's breath! Take that! Uh-oh, there he is. Hey! Don't take out the crystals! What are you doing? Yeah! Not cool, man. Not cool at all. No! Come here, man. I'll fight you one-on-one. I'm not afraid. Bro, Dream, how much health do you have? Yeah, got him. No, there's more. Where are they? Nah. Stop. Yeah, take this. I got dragon eyes, bro. Ah, he's going to the middle. Still world record pace. Not today, dude. Come here. Yeah, boom. Got him. No more. Tobias the man. Oh, man. Yeah. Take this dragon's breath. Not today, man. Not today. Yes, got him. They killed the last crystal. I'm not happy about it. Hey, you jerk. Fire breath. Got him. Tobias? Nah, sub 20. No, you're sub dead. Am I right? Ah, boom. Oh, man. They've got diamond armor now. This might get difficult. I'm running low on health. Yeah. Go, dragon's breath. Ah, I'm losing health. Oh, my goodness. Hey, fly away. Ah, yeah. Oh, gosh, of course, we've got more. Heal up with my steak. Where are they? There he is. Yeah! Dragon shield. Boom. I'm in a dragon rage. Yes, he's stuck in my saliva. Bah! Dragon breath. Yeah. Go. Oh. Yes, we did it. And defended. I am the greatest dragon to ever live. Harold, where did he go? Harold, you're here. Oh, my goodness, I thought you might have been, an omelet.
If I'm gonna be honest.
I leave this place to you, my friend. Good luck, Harold. I believe in you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Come on, Harold. Let's get him.
Yeah!